Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Hyundai Elantra. The daytime running light is very easy to access by simply reaching behind the main bulb housing. No tools nor parts removals will be required to change this bulb. The center brake light is also easy to access through an opening in the roof of the trunk. Other models will require entire housing replacements in order to change this bulb. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The remainder of the headlights have more convoluted access. You'll need to use a rivet popper to first disengage and then pry back the wheel well lining in order to access the bulb assemblies. This will only offer you a cramped space to work in and won't allow for reliable bulb changes. You will also need a rivet popper to remove a panel from underneath the rear of the vehicle for access to the reverse light. This will require you to work upside down in order to reach the bulb. Additionally, accessing the petcock will require you to work in an awkward position underneath the vehicle as well. A large panel secured by multiple rivets and bolts will need to be removed before you can reach the petcock, which will hamper any potential coolant flushes. Overall, despite a few troubling spots, the 2019 Hyundai Elantra is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain and would be a good choice for the novice car owner.